So, we are in a very popular show back in the 80s, and that is called The Dating Game. We have our searcher at the back, and we have our searchies here finding for love. What is an occupation that was very popular back in the 80s? Para po sa mga buhay na noon. Okay, gamitin ko to, okay? Si Missy po ay ganon ang trabaho. Sino po ang superhero?
Na walang kwentang power.
Wala pa eh.
O sige, excited excited. Ano po yun? Tumakbo, pero may hika. Si Happy po yun. Okay, si Happy po yun. At panghuli, ano po ang isang bagay na nasa loob ng cabinet ng tatay ninyo? Si Thea po ay unti-unting nagiging mothballs. And our game will end with our searcher not just choosing who wins her heart, but the answers. Ladies and gentlemen, so that our searcher will know that she's needed. Here is our Aaron. Please clap your hands. Welcome to the dating game. Please introduce yourself and why are you here?
Hello, everyone. My name is Carly, and I feel like I'm at an age where my career is already going amazing. So I want somebody to share that with so I can settle down finally, and my parents will be proud of me.
Thank you very much, Carly. Can I call you Carly?
You can call me Carly.
Yes, Carly. We have our 3 searchies here.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Ready to give them your needs.
Yes. So my first question is, you already look beautiful, but of course, you want to make a good first impression to me. What will your OOTD look like when you go on my first date with me?
Let's begin with our searchie with a block.
Hi. Ay, sorry. Nakakahinga ka pa? Hi, Carly. First of all, I'm a very busy girl, but I will make time for you, and you will know me on our first date by the scarf around my neck, the pencil-cut skirt. You might not see me in a sea of women that might be inspired by my fashion, but don't worry, I can help you with your Rimowa and any other baggage that you may have. Thank you.
Wow, I love to travel. I love it. Beautiful.
Searchie number 2.
Oh. Active.
Spandex! Yun ang sagot ko, spandex! Yun lang, straight to the point, spandex. Dalawang packet sa spandex. Yung isang packet, kailangan ko yun eh. There are times na kailangan ko yun. Tapos yung pangalawang packet, cellphone. Naka-type na yung emergency number. Yun lang, spandex, OOTD. Yun lang.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's hear it for... Are you okay? Yes.
Sa packet.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's searchie number 3.
Magandang gabi. Napakaganda ng tanong mo. Mabuti na lang at actually, suot ko na ngayon. Isang kamison na walang butas-butas, walang lukot-lukot, walang kahit anong bahid ng insekto.
Wow.
Yes, no. Thank you very much.
Ew!
Very dramatic, ano?
Yes. I guess meron pang ibang tanong ang ating
Meron naman.
searcher.
I haven't made the decision yet based on their answers.
And their OOTD.
And their OOTD. So my second question is, I'm very busy. Hindi ako nagluluto, but I want to date someone who is good in the kitchen. So, kung kayo ay magluluto para sa akin, ano ang lulutuin mo?